And back to the tutorial for deep learning. Today we are going to see the continuation, that is the fundamentals of deep learning, part number 4. Today we are going to see the some basic things like what is tensor and what is ANN at last end with forward propagation. First of all, tensor. Tensor are the backbone of the deep learning and the machine learning. Moreover, we can say exactly is a mathematical model object that generates the concept of scalar, vector, matrices with high dimensions, and these are generally utilized to store and manipulate large amounts of data. Let's say example, if you have a color image, you may consider that is as a 3D sensor. It may consist of height, width and color also. So tensor is very familiar and needed one. And next, artificial neural network. So this is the general architecture of artificial neural. It consists of input layer, hidden layer and output layer. Today successfully deep learning running with the help of this only. And here is a DL, what we can say is one of the machine learning model. There are a number of meanings. This machine learning model or mathematical model that is similar to the function of the human brain here. And this computation model receives information in the numerical form and process it, and at last produce the output as a form of numerical form only. And this also consists of nodes, and each neuron receives input and always perform a mathematical operation. Example, you can say, suppose we want to identify whether a fruit is apple or orange based on the color and shape, we can do it with the help of ANN generally. Next one is the forward propagation. It's very important. We are not going to deeply discuss now. Just it's a process in neural network where the input data is passed through the network layer to generate the output. So it's concept initially weight, input, at last output value. So in deep learning also the usage of forward propagation is more. Backward propagation is there, but forward propagation is also very important. Here the input is multiplied by the width of each layer, and the result is passed through the activation function to produce the desired output here. And also the output becomes the input for the next layer until get the final layer, and always helpful to produce the final output. Example, suppose if you want to have a math problem and want to solve, means you can find the answer with the help of these multiple steps. So step number 1, step number 2. So suppose if you find the solution the step number 3, you can stop, or else you can extend the step up to the 4 also. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.